Hi, I'm Niall. And you're welcome to this video on factorising quadratic expressions using the cross method 2. And in this video, we're going to factorise quadratic expressions where the middle term is negative. So let's just start with an example. We have x squared minus 8x plus. So we start off with our cross as usual, and we know that x times x will give us x squared. Okay? And then we know what are the factors of 15. Well, we have 1 times 15, or we have 3 times 5. Now, we know we have a plus 15 here, okay? And we know that we want a negative here in the middle. So both of these terms are going to be negative. So we have minus 3 here and a minus 5 here. So then when we do our checks, we can say that x times x gives us x squared. That's perfect. Minus by minus is going to give us a plus, so that's a good start. So minus 5 times minus 3 gives us plus 15. And then when we go across, we say minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and minus 5 times x is minus 5x. And when we sum them together, we have minus 3x minus 5x gives us minus 8x. So now we can draw our dotted line across the middle. The top part is our first factor and the bottom part is the second factor. So now we have x minus 3 times x minus 5. So they are the factors of x squared minus 8x plus 15. So let's look at another example. Let's say x squared minus 7x plus 12. Draw our cross, and we know that x times x is going to give us x squared. Now, what are the factors of 12 that we can work with? Well, we have 1 times 12, or we have 2 times 6, or we have 3 times 4. So 3 plus 4 will give us 7. So I'm looking at 3 and 4 here, and let's see if they're going to work. Okay, so we can see that the middle term here is negative and the last term here is positive. So we know that both of these terms are going to be negative. Okay, so let's have a minus 3 here and a minus 4 here and see how things work out. Then we do our checks. Okay, x times x, x squared. Minus by minus is a plus, so minus 4 times minus 3 is plus 12. Perfect. And when we're going across, we have minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and minus 4 times x is minus 4x. And when we sum those, minus 3x minus 4x is minus 7x, and that's just what we want. So we draw a dotted line across here, and we can say that x minus 3 times x minus 4 are the factors that we are looking for. So now, in the last example in this video, we're going to factorise 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. So we draw our cross as usual, and we know that 2x times x will give us x squared, okay? And we know again that the last term is positive and the middle term is negative, so both of these are going to be a minus. So once again, the factors of 12 that we can work with are 1 times 12, or 2 times 6, or 3 times 4. Okay, so let's just try again. We do a little bit of experimentation. Let's put a minus 4 here and a minus 3 here and do our checks. Okay, so x times 2x is 2x squared. Lovely. Minus by minus is plus, so minus 3 times minus 4 will give us plus 12. We're looking good so far. And then we say minus 4 times x is minus 4x. And minus 3 times 2x is minus 6x. Now, if we total them, we only get minus 10x. So we know we have a little problem here, okay? But that's why we have the cross method. We can experiment a little bit, okay? So we'll scratch out the 4 there, and we'll scratch out the 3 here, and we'll put a 3 here and a 4 here, and we'll do our checks again, okay? So now we can say that x times 2x gives us 2x squared. That's perfect. Minus 4 times minus 3 is plus 12. That is also perfect. And then we say minus 3 times x is minus 3x. And minus 4 times 2x is minus 8x. And then we can say that minus 3x minus 8x gives us minus 11x. And isn't that just what we want? So now we can draw our dotted line across, and we can say that 2x minus 3 times x minus 4 are the factors of 2x squared minus 11x plus 12.
Click the link in the comments for a short worksheet with solutions. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Connect with me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter and Facebook. See you the next time.